Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to give you guys some secrets on how to get the perfect credit score in less than 60 days. Hi guys, welcome back to the video. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe to get the latest credit tips and learn how you can put your credit in your own hands. For those who don't know me, my name is Credit Coach Q, and I created the first software that allows you guys to fire your credit repair company and put your credit into your own hands. Guys, I'm super excited for the video today. So many clients, so many people have been asking me to put this information out for such a long time, and today I'm going to do it. Guys, let's dive straight in. So credit basically is broken down into two different parts, right? Offense and defense, right? So your offense is going to be any active lines of credit that you have on your credit report. Your defense is going to be any negative items that's on your credit report, right? Now, we're not going to get that much into defense because if you have collections, charge-off, wage garnishments, bankruptcies, tax liens, if you have all of that on your credit report, then this video will be a lot longer, and I will save that information for a later video, but I'm still going to give you guys some defense tips and a lot of offense. Now, if you have a lot of debt on your credit report, I do advise you guys to get with a reputable credit repair company or use our software to put your credit to your own hands and allow yourself to remove that negative stuff, because none of these hacks will work on a file that is just loaded with debt, okay? But I'm gonna give you guys a small tip for defense. Now, if you have large amounts of debt, you can't afford anything, and you still want a tip to get it removed, look into the 609 method. So in a section of the Fair Credit Reporting Act, in section 609, they basically says this, that any information that's on your credit report has to be physically verified. So if you disputed something, they sent you back something that say verified, and they didn't show you the physical evidence, meaning the contract that you signed, the same day that you signed up with the company, meaning the same PIN mark and everything, they have to provide that. If they have not done that, then you need to look into being a little bit more aggressive with your dispute process. It has gotten a lot of results. And it's just one of the things that's implemented into the software already. So if you need to get a lot of things removed, either get with a credit repair company or use the software, the link in the description below, to start getting those items removed. Now, for these secrets to work, you can have some negative items on the report, but just not a lot, because the offense cannot offset or be offset by the defense, right? So if you have negative stuff, either get with a credit repair company or use our software and start getting those items removed. Now, if you only have 2 to 3 items on your credit report and you still don't have a 700, 800 credit score, then this video is perfect for you. Now, offense. When you are getting into the credit game, you have to speak their language, right? When you go to apply for anything, you want to make sure that your credit profile speak the same dialect that the creditors that are pulling your credit report. So you want to make sure that your credit report is speaking the language that they are asking for you to get approved for the loan. So let me clarify a little bit. Active accounts on your credit is very, very important. A lot of creditors do not even like to be the only person or the first person to give you a line of credit. They like to see past history that's on your credit profile before they give you a line of credit. I'm gonna tell you why. No one wants to gamble on your credit profile. No one wants to. If you do need some trade lines or some companies to use for first-time credit builders, or people that's in current credit report need credit repair, then I'm going to send some links in the description below, and you can click on those links and hopefully get approved. A lot of the clients that comes throughout the system, it comes with the company, they get approved almost instantly with the companies. That's going to be in the description below. So, but you need 3 to 4 accounts. So write this down. First thing that you need to do is to get active lines of credit. Once you get one active line of credit, let me say this, before you get any other active line of credit, you need to know a recipe with that first line of credit. The first line of credit that you get, you only can spend $10 of the available credit for every 100 that you get. So if you get $100, a $100 credit card, you only can spend $10. And I want you to honestly spend less. The less you spend within the first couple months, the higher your score is going to be. Now, you need 3 to 4 primary accounts. Now the accounts in the description below are called primary accounts. And they are called primary accounts because these are your accounts that you can use. Now, you need 3 to 4 of those accounts in order to go to the next step. Now, once you go and get or have 3 or 4 accounts, you need to apply what is called an authorized user, a trade line. And I'm gonna tell you why trade lines are so powerful. Trade lines are so powerful because it allows you to get the reward of someone else's history and equity that they put into their account. So basically what a trade line is say, I'm gonna give you an example. Say for instance you have a grandmother, and that grandmother has a 15-year-old account that's been in perfect history since you was a little kid. And she never been late. It always had your low utilization. She don't spend much on it, and it's just a perfect file. Your grandmother has the ability to put you on that credit card and not let you touch the money, not give you no access to the money, but put you on the credit card to allow you to get the backing and the benefit for all those years of history that she put into the file. So you can only imagine how powerful a tool like that could be if you're getting 15 years of perfect history instantly approved or instantly applied to your account. You can just imagine how powerful 15 years of perfect history would be. Now, authorized user, primary accounts, get the negative stuff removed. If you need help getting the negative stuff removed, please reach out to me and my staff, and we will give you a free 30-minute consultation where we will talk over your complete file and go over everything with you. But like I said, negative stuff removed, defense. Offense is primary accounts with a low utilization below 10%. So every 100, $10, and you need 3 to 4 primary accounts. Now, second, authorized users. You need authorized users to give you that big hump that you want instead of waiting 7 years and building on the accounts of the new accounts that you're going to be opening. You need an authorized user account to give you that big hump. And another thing, once you do this, after 60 days, if you do exactly what I tell you, not only are you going to be getting flooded with promotional mail giving you money, instantly pre-approved for so many different things, but you will see your score reflect within the first month. So within the first one, you put the authorized user, you get some items removed, and you get some primary trade lines on your account, your score will go up almost instantly. So next time, when you go and get or try to get any type of car or any type of loan or anything, make sure that you are speaking the right message, right? Now, after you do this between 60 days, the longer you do it, 3-4 months, your credit profile will have so much strength on it that you will be able to get approved for anything you want. Again, trade lines, primary account, and getting the negative items removed. Until next time, guys, this is Credit Coach Q. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. Again, next time, have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.